Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to convert a PDF file to JPEG image format using Wondershare PDF element. Open your PDF file with Wondershare PDF element. Now select convert option this top menu bar, and here you will find this to image select. Now select this output down arrow, and here you will find this JPEG format. Select this one. Also select the setting option. Here you can change, you can extract all images in the PDF, only you can image, or adjoin all pages into one single image, or you can space, you can create separate images. I choose first one, and this keep original image DPI. You can change this image DPI also, and also you can convert custom page range, or you can select all page and select OK, and output. Here you can change, you can select a specific folder, or you can choose the same source folder. I select same source folder. Now select OK, and see this an open folder. This is a folder, and see this image format, JPEG format. Yeah, this is. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share, and comments.